Greetings everyone. I'm Anurag Mukati from CS1 and I'm presenting my major project. Uh, the title of the project is Neurotech Revolution, Exploring the Potential of BCI System. My project description, the Neurotech Revolution, Exploring the Potential BCI System is a project that is completely based on the research initiative in the technological field of brain-computer interface where which have emerged as a transformative technology with the potential of revolutionizing human-machine interactions and harness the capability of the BCI for addressing the ethical implications and the further development. The status summary of my project is that I have completed the initial survey and groundwork of the working of BCI and its implementation through various research papers. I have analyzed the brain regions as per the neuroscience. I have consulted various neurosurgeons and several doctors regarding this. And I have generated a survey paper. The title of my paper is Improving Brain-Computer Interface Usability Through Analytical Strategies and User-Centric Design, a survey. I have submitted this paper in, in ICDLAI 2023, which is hosted by NIT Kurukshetra. Which, uh, my objective for this project is the technology exploration to delve into the technological advancement in BCI system, the application of the system, including in healthcare, communication, and other technologies, considering the ethical framework, ensuring the privacy and consents, yeah, user-centered approach so that it can engage so much people and the technological enthusiasts and researchers in it, and the publishing engagement to raise the awareness and educate people about the BCI and its implications. The methodology for this project is it is an interdisciplinary approach, bringing neuroscientists, engineer, ethicists, and experts in the BCI, starting from the data collection to implementation with the ethical consideration. Additionally, I am working on the user-centered design so that it will improve the potential that BCI has and the methodology which we can implement. The general structure of the brain-computer interface is that we can collect data from human. First, the offline mode that we store our data in the text file, processing the artifact, and by the spectral filtering, we consider and extract the features and then classify the performance and performance analysis, classification, regression, whichever needed, or the time series implementation using the spectral filter and the spectral density. Then we'll evaluate and using the feature selection and hyperparameters, we will generate our model. And in the online and the real-time mode, we will extract the data from the user, pre-process it, and by filtering, we extract the features in parallel with our offline mode, classification and the feature translation so that it can be understandable to other persons that what is the meaning of this extraction, and the experimental pedigram is our result and will give it the feedback. This is the general connection setup that we are going to use. This is the International 1020 system proposed by several neuroscientists. The positions of the electrodes that we are going to use, and this is the open BCI system that they have proposed for their 16 channel Daisy and Saturn board. These are the positions that we are going to use 8 channels and bias and SRB. The 8 channel will be on the FP1. Here is the FP1 and channel 2 on FP2, then C3 and C4 for channel 3 and 4, and P7, P8 for channel 5 and 6, and O1 and O2 for the channel 7 and 8. And on the left and right yellow, we are going to implement our bias and the SRB for the connection. This is the brain surface anatomy and its function that the frontal lobe is for the higher mental functions, the problem solving, thinking, all the capabilities are here. Our cerebral cortex, it is majorly known as the motor function area. It coordinates our hand and eye movement, maintain our posture. The parietal lobe. Parietal lobe is our sensory function that the sensation we feel in our skins and muscles. In between that, this red region is the motor function area that controls our voluntary muscles and movements. This is the tactile perception, our multisensory information. It connects every part of our brain. The occipital lobe, which works on the visual information, the coordination of eye movements, image recognition, and our visual memory. The small part is the Broca's area, which controls our speech production and grammatical structure that we speak. And this is the Rinken's area. It is the comprehension of speech, sound, and language. It is the words which we think are in mind. This is the temporal lobe, our memory storage area, the short-term memory and equilibrium and motions. This is the cerebellum, the small brain. We can say that, and it coordinates all voluntary and involuntary muscles and the our balance as well. This is the general structure of the BCI model which we are going to implement. The data acquisition, pre-processing and enhancement, feature extraction, translation algorithm. It can be subdivided into various categories. The visualization based on the light, colors, image, video, motion and animation. Sound and audification based on the sound we can produce and the music we want to listen. The other one is the haptic feedback and the tactile stimulus, which can be worked on the vibration, electrical, thermal, and microtexture shape in our force that is generated in our brain. And last is the olfactory simulation, the odors and scents, our brain work. The technology we are going to use in this is the BCI hardware and the softwares, e.g. the electroencephalography for monitoring the brain waves in the voltage different changes and signal processing softwares for it. We will try various softwares by which we can process our signals using the programming languages Python and MATLAB. We are going to use the open BCI toolkit for this for our experimental things, and machine learning and AI for labeling and annotation, for feature extraction, classification, and for improving our factors. The expected outcomes of this project are the a comprehensive understanding and technological advancement and limitations of BCI, insights into diverse range and application in medical and communication fields, establishing ethical framework for responsible development and deployment, user-informed PCI design so everyone can use their preferences and based on the needs we can develop our system, increase public awareness and informed discussions about the surroundings. Yeah, the impacts of this project is that it will unlock new frontiers in human machine interaction, improves the healthcare transformation and healthcare sector, accessibility enhancement, communication and accessibility with the disabled persons will increase. It will foster equal opportunities for them. The ethical framework, the most critical part is the to follow the ethical guidelines in the development of the BCI. Thank you. This is my presentation, and I will like to show my research paper. My research paper titled Improving Brain-Computer Interface Usability Through Analytical Strategies and User-Centric Design." It is a survey. I would like to share the abstract of this project. The BCI have immense potential to redefine human-computer interaction, but face usability challenges, impeding widespreading adoption. This research focuses on enhancing BCI usability through analytical strategies and user-centric design. We delve into advanced signal processing, machine learning, and adaptive interface to improve BCI accuracy, reliability, user-friendliness, and supported by real-world cases. Our finding emphasizes signal processing for accuracy, machine learning for personalization, and user-centric design for accessibility. Successful applications pave the path for an improved BCI landscape. This research not only advances understanding but also hints at transformative BCI development, necessitating interdisciplinary research and ethical consideration. Integration of analytical strategies and user-centric design enhances BCI usability, expanding application in healthcare, assistive tech, gaming, neurorehabilitation, and challenges like signal variability, data security, and privacy underscore the need for the responsible BCI search and deployment. In conclusion, this survey provides comprehensive insight into analytical strategies and user centric design, collaboration, and for BCI fostering information and collaboration, the BCI future lies in unmatched precision, accessing the user friendliness, advancing human computer interaction, and improving lives. I have done this research paper and currently working on few other papers as well for the mathematical model. Thank you.